Spelling, Unit 4. Let's practice our cursive. S P E L L I N G. Spelling. Number 1. Proud. P R O U D. Proud. Number 2. Boil. B O I L. Dot your I. Boil. Number 3. Loud. L O U D. Loud. Number 4. House. H O U S E. E. Sorry, I'm doing this on an iPad. House. Number 5. Join. J O I N. Join. And then you go back and dot your I and your J. Let's look at J again. J. 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 Number 6. Cloud. C L O U D. Cloud. I'm going to do that one again. C L O U D. Cloud. Number 7. Sound. S O U N N D. Sound. Voice. V O I C E. Voice. Number 9. Oil. O I L. Oil. O I L. Oil. Round. R O U N D. Round. R O U N D. Round. Number 11. Point. P O I N T. Point. Number 12. South. South. S O U T H. Uh-oh. I'm going to erase that. That was my iPad misbehaving. H. Now go back and cross your T. South. Number 13. Found. F O U N D. I'll do that one again. F-O-U-N-D. Number 14, soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Number 15, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Thank you. Happy practicing.